Are you ready to revamp your new year? Start off on the right foot with these 5 essential upgrades for a fresh start. Create a New Year simmer pot. Fill your home with wonderful aromas by simmering fresh ingredients like lemon slices, fresh rosemary, peppercorns, and vanilla extract in a pot of water. It's an instant mood booster and a perfect way to greet the new year. Refresh your tea bar. Sip your way to a fresh start with a fully stocked tea bar. Restock your favorite teas and discover new blends. Whether you prefer a rejuvenating green tea or a calming chamomile, a well-stocked tea bar is a must-have for a fresh and healthy new year. Clean out your spice cabinet and refresh your spices. Take a moment to clean out your spice jar and discard any expired or unused spices. A well-organized spice collection will add flavor and efficiency to your cooking. So say goodbye to stale flavors and hello to a perfectly seasoned new year. Energy cleanse with Palo Santo. Create a relaxing atmosphere by burning Palo Santo, a sacred wood known for its purifying properties. Its rich, warm aroma will cleanse the energy of your home, allowing you to start the new year with a clear mind and a fresh perspective. Set some intentions for the year. Take some time to reflect on the past year and set new intentions for the future. Whether it's focusing on self-care or taking up a new hobby, setting intentions will help you stay motivated and make the most of the coming year. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment, and share.